Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss with you all regarding the CIS domain. So I'm sure there are a lot of you freshers who have received a survey. I'm sure that a lot of you have received that whether you're interested in CIS domain or not. And in fact, I have got a lot of queries on Telegram, on YouTube comments, that what is CIS domain and what is expected from you, what type of work you have to do. So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you all exactly all this, and I'm sure you are going to find this video helpful, especially if you're confused whether you should join the CIS domain. Is it good for you or not? So what exactly is the full form of CIS? It is Cloud Infrastructure Services. Now CIS is actually a domain and it is not a position. For example, freshers join the company as an analyst or senior analyst. So these are positions. But CIS is a domain. Just like you have Java as a domain, you have React as a domain, you have SAP as a domain. So similarly, CIS is a domain which basically deals with cloud infrastructures. So as you all know that in the current situation, that this cloud technology is gaining a lot of importance. People are shifting towards cloud. So until now, big companies, literally almost all companies used to have servers, on premises servers. So the servers were in their places. But what is happening currently is that people are migrating their on-premise servers to cloud servers. So they're migrating all the data to cloud servers, cloud storage. So that is exactly why you need CIS people, CIS domain trained people whose main job is to help in this transition, to help this migration. For example, you all may work in client, so maybe the client is migrating their technology to the cloud. So maybe you have been given the task to help assist in that. So that is mainly the role of the CIS people. So is this CIS domain good or not? Now, it basically depends on your interest. For example, things like Java, .NET, these are code development languages and it requires a lot of heavy coding. So there are a lot of you freshers who are not from coding background, who do not prefer coding, hardcore coding, because I'm sure because you're in IT field, you have to do a bit of coding, but you all don't prefer hardcore coding like Java, Angular, React, .NET. So in that case, CIS is actually a very good domain for you because there is not much coding related work over here. So it is basically everything is there on your screen in front of you. You just have to use a mouse to create whatever you have to do, create database or create any script or create any flow. Whatever you have to do it using a mouse. Very minimum coding is there. So in that way, it is very beneficial for those who do not prefer heavy coding. Those who prefer light coding, CIS is in fact a very promising domain because cloud is gaining a lot of importance. And it is very good that you are getting a head start, that from the beginning you are a part of this cloud technology. So in that way, CIS is very good. Now there are also a lot of certifications which you can do. In fact, the company promotes its employees to get these certifications done. So there are mainly three types of certifications. One is by Microsoft, that is AZ900, that Azure certification. Next is by AWS. So by AWS, that is by Amazon Web Service, you have a lot of certifications. And third is by GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. So for Google Clouds also you have certifications. So these three are the mainly most preferred certifications related to the cloud domain. Other than that, there also might be other domains, other certifications which you all can do, which you all might be told to do by your manager. But yes, overall, these three certifications will definitely help in your career. If you are looking for a switch in your job, in your role, then these certifications will also help to support your resume, to support you when you are applying for a new job. So overall, my view is that CIS is a promising domain. If you have received this domain, don't worry. In fact, we have a lot of opportunity in this field because cloud is still a growing field. So there is a lot of growth opportunity for you and you are definitely going to enjoy your work. So what type of work you all can get will depend totally on the project that you get. You may be told to help in assisting to migrate a cloud, or maybe you have to work on support projects. So the data which is already there. You have to see that everything is working correctly or not. So there are a lot of tasks, so that will depend on your project. But overall, yes, this is what are my views on CIS domain. And in case you have anything else to share, you can mention it in the comment box below. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me on any social media sites or platforms, and definitely keep following me. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and keep following me. So see you all in the next video.